and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Pity on the mic here. So the lesson we have today is Mabvi namagokora from Mr. Nicholas Zakaria. So this tune, we're gonna be playing it in the key of A major. So this is the A major that we're gonna be using. If you can hear, the sound is the same from this chord and this chord. Okay, so the chords we have is A major, E major, and D major. Okay, so we're gonna break this tab into 4 parts to make it simple. So first of all, we just play it slow, and then we start to break it down. So now this rhythm, we're gonna break it into 3 parts to make it easy for us. So the first part is, so I'm gonna put the tab up now. So it's, then the second part after, it's gonna be, so it's gonna be, we have these 2 frets. So now we can join these 2 parts. Then we go to the next chord, which is the D major. So it's gonna be, so this one we have to start on a pull from the last note we played on the key of E, go. So it's gonna be a pull there. So it's, so first part, then so if you realize in Sungura mostly on chord progression 1 4 1 5, the 4 and the 5 most of the time they are the same. If they are not the same, it's only the positions of the chords that is different. For example, in this rhythm, it will be from this A and this A. So those are like one of the things that we might find when we are playing Sugura.